What are the OSHA regulations for demolition? Have you ever wondered what it takes to safely demolish a building? Demolition is not just about tearing things down. It involves strict safety regulations to protect workers. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration has specific guidelines to ensure safety in this high-risk profession. Let's break down these regulations so you can understand what goes into safe demolition practices. First, before any demolition work begins, a competent person must conduct an engineering survey of the structure. This survey checks the building's condition and identifies hazards like unstable walls or floors. Knowing these risks helps in planning safe demolition methods. Next, all utilities must be located and secured. This includes gas, electric, water, and sewer lines. Disconnecting these utilities prevents accidents such as explosions or electrocution during the demolition process. Fire safety is another critical aspect. A fire prevention plan must be in place along with emergency medical services. This plan should include evacuation procedures and how to contact emergency responders if needed. Personal protective equipment is essential in demolition work. Employers must provide gear tailored to the job's hazards. This typically includes face protection, headgear, gloves, and respiratory protection against dust. Hearing protection is also necessary, along with personal fall arrest systems to prevent falls from heights. Speaking of falls, fall protection is a major requirement. When workers are at risk of falling, OSHA mandates using fall arrest systems, safety nets, or guardrails. Falls are one of the leading causes of injuries in demolition, making these protections mandatory. Before starting demolition, an assessment for hazardous materials like asbestos or lead must be conducted. Proper controls and procedures must be in place to protect workers from these health risks. Training is vital in this field. All employees must be trained on the hazards they may face and how to use equipment safely. This training should be clear and updated regularly to ensure everyone understands the risks. Site controls are also necessary. Barriers and warning signs must mark hazardous areas to protect workers and the public from falling debris or unexpected collapses. Covered walkways or canopies are required to shield entrances and sidewalks near demolition sites. When using heavy equipment like cranes, strict controls are in place. Only essential workers should be in the area, and loads must be within safe limits. Equipment must be rigged correctly to prevent accidents. Finally, all demolition work must comply with the OSHA construction standards, specifically the Subpart T regulations. These standards address the unique hazards of demolition work. Demolition work shares similarities with other high-risk professions like logging and deep-sea fishing. Each involves unpredictability and requires strict safety measures. The regulations from OSHA reflected the need for preparation, protective gear, and training to keep workers safe in this demanding field.